So I started stripping down the panels from the interior. I wanted to get behind there and see what the air conditioning looked like. Bought another fridge. This I got a discount. This is a stand-in. My wife wants a smaller fridge, but this one's like real efficient. In fact, it is 206 kilowatts a year, and I'll do the math on that and show you guys what it cost a day to run. So the same deal. I picked up this air conditioner. It's never been out of the box. I guess it was a return or overstock or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna open this thing up and see what I got. An overhead air conditioner, but I got this thing for like super cheap. It's like 50 bucks, and it's real efficient. I'm gonna see if I can make it work in there. I had them in my box camper, but I want to try to do it a different way. I'm thinking that the unit was outside and like underneath, and I could vent all this up into the living quarters. That would be the best way to go. I've learned about these screws is they tend to, when you start screwing them in, the wood kind of walks to the left, so you have to start ahead of where you want to end up. Still got a long ways to go. Plus got to get approval on from the boss. See if she likes it. I want to use this sink because I already have it, and I don't like the idea that it's like that, but I'm gonna have to go with it anyway. I think it'll work out. Just have a little cook stove right here. I gotta measure that. See what size cook stove I can put here. Probably like a 17-inch or so, yeah. Yeah, I think I'll get one of those little Brookstone things or something. I don't know. Taking shape. So, trying to reduce the size of the bathroom here a little bit, and we only need enough room to put our feet in. Take a shower right here. It's gonna be very tight, and that's about as close as I can get. What we want to do is try to be able to make these seats recline somehow, and have, you know, a pretty small bathroom, but comfortable. I think I can go in here and we can easily use the bathroom here. Sit down without hitting your knees on the wall. Okay, this is my wife's idea. She wants this wall here, but she wants the windows so you can see out them and all this to be open. Maybe have a curtain slide across right here to block off the bedroom. And then the plan is to have a convertible shower. Check out my prototype here, where this is going to go up. And the reason for this also is because these seats recline, and we want to retain the ability to recline these seats. And this right here could be like storage space or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. On top of this. So got a few things to figure out. But I'm going to put together a cardboard prototype for her. Let her check it out and approve it.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.